guys, review Motorola Moto H20. This version 8GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Okay. Device. In completation, we have protected back cover, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay, this is all completation. And now talk about device. Device made of glass on the back side and front side, and plastic. This we have on the front side 6.6-inch display, power key, volume keys, smart key on this side, triple camera on the back side, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone, and slot for 2 nano SIM card. Okay, turn on device. We have OLED display, 144 Hz, Full HD Plus resolution. Open Geekbench file, talk about system information. We have GPU Adreno 632 and CPU Snapdragon 778. Look results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Okay. Close this, look Antutu benchmark results. Antutu benchmark results, okay. And start the money game GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas doesn't work. Okay. Open Minecraft. Game, start game. Okay, game load, and works perfect. Okay, close this. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this.